Adventuring into the unknown can be dangerous. That's my buddy. That's my friend Carmine. Alright, come on.
Mud.
What is that? Is that skin? What is that? See if we can find some fish.
We're talking about fish.
Oh, I stepped in that water pretty hard. My shoes got all wet.
That's so clear. And then we're getting close to civilization. There's a gate.
There are cows over there, bro.
They are?
Yeah.
Where?
Over there, over that fence. Can we climb under that?
I'm not touching dirt.
No, not.
We're going over, bitch.
I'm gonna see if I can like go under it. No, I
want
can't.
it.
Here, take this. Ooh. All right.
How do you turn the picture around?
I'm recording, man.
Yeah, how you turn it around?
All right, give it to me. Look at that, y'all. Yeah, we're gonna have to get back though pretty soon.
Wait,
This
is a game. There's a fish.
we can't climb over it because there's barbed wire. And there's bugs all over it.
Huh?
I swear to God, I just saw a fox. Did you see that?
No. You're like,
Alright. We can't climb this.
oh, I got stabbed.
Alright, let's get out of here.
I got stabbed.
Let's get out of Ow! Let's get out of here before we get caught. Go! Come on, Carl. Bruh! You actually got stabbed.
I told you I got stabbed.
Come on, come on, come on. We gotta go.
Go, go, go.
Here, hold my phone, hold my phone.
We're on a wild police chase. We are being manhunted right now.
Give it.
Get my epic shot of going over the log.
Come on. Okay, we gotta go.
Oh, oh.
Go, 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 go.
So lucky.
We made it. Go, 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 go. Go. No one will ever see this. We're in the footage. I didn't see you. What do we do now? Do you have everything?
Yeah.
You have the ball? Oh, let's see. Okay. You're safe and back in civilization. But we will miss this.
You get shot in the head.
Now, just like everybody else.
Camera gets shot out of our hands. Run! The cops are on to us.
Where we go?
I don't know if we just wait. Wait for a getaway car.
Yeah. Anthill, by the way. Oh, an ant came out.
Ants.
Yo. I'm just kidding. You don't love my shoes, bro? Yo, a little kick, a little kick. Bop.
Bop.
Your turn.
Oh, no. Where's the stick?
Bop.
Boop.
Bop.
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 Boop.
Frank, it's on my shoe. Whoa.
Where's the stick? Go find the stick.
I'm gonna go back in there and get a stick.
Oh, wait, I found one.
Oh, bruh. It's another ant. Another ant hill. Look at this, people. That's solid. Oh my god. Yo, I'm gonna see if I can crack it open. There you go.
I'm killing this bitch.
Hold this, I got it. Whoa.
Wild techniques. How to survive in the wild.
Wild skills, everyone. Hunt for food. We gotta hunt, bro. Hunt. Hunt. We gotta hunt.
Hunt! We found an ant pile.
We hunt. We feast. No, don't put it towards me. Die.
We feast tonight. We feast tonight,
Yeah.
boys.
Oh.
I'm making giant holes in it.
Yeah. Don't push it towards me. Ants are getting over here.
I feel bad for the ants.
Yeah. No, I don't. I don't.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bro. I'm getting all up in there, crap. Yo. Die.
Bitch. Bah!
Yo. I'm gonna smack you really hard.
I barely did shit.
All right, I'm gonna chuck it. I'm gonna chuck it, bro. I'm gonna chuck it. I'm gonna chuck it.
We still gotta get the other info.
Oh yeah, there's another one over here. And my stick landed right next to it, bro. Right here. This is pretty solid. Hold the phone. I'm about to go bass style on it.
Bitch. Here, hold the phone. I got you. I got you.
All right, I'm gonna do it one more time.
Bitch.
All right.
Here, hold. This is how a man does it. Bitch. Bah! Oh, fuck, I missed me. Bah! Bah! And die! And die!
Dang. All right.
And you clean it up.
All right. Bye, stick.
Have a nice life.
Oh my god! It broke into pieces. Mine landed right here. Hold up. Ow! Oh, I'm about to redo
I
that.
got you. I can toss it away. Bye, bitch. Hit a tree bed. It's like, bitch. Ragman staff.
All right. Let's go back.
Just go into the woods.
Careful not to get your shoes wet, because it gets pretty nasty around here. Is she here? Make sure not to get your pants wet. Yo, dude, I literally just heard a lizard. Come on.
Huh?
I just heard a lizard. I swear to God, bro.
Well, you wish you were wearing jeans.
For real though, what is that? Is that skin? I want to touch it, but I don't.
That's not skin, that's hair.
Get a stick, get a stick, get a stick. Poke it. Like, push it. Ew.
That's tough.
That's not skin.
That's grass.
Yeah, that's grass. Alright, minor setback.
You gotta just blast us with it.
Hey!
Chill out, bro.
Alright, I'm not kidding. Whoa.
I'm not getting you fucked.
Oh, your mom's calling you. Alright, we gotta stop.